Bay Windows Mandeville offers a unique blend of style and functionality, making them a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. Custom Bay Windows Mandeville provide tailored solutions that fit the specific dimensions and architectural style of your home, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. With a variety of bay window styles available, you can choose the perfect design to complement your home's aesthetics. Energy-efficient bay windows Mandeville are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that provide superior insulation, helping to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Bay window experts in Mandeville can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best energy-efficient options for your needs. Bay window installation Mandeville requires skilled bay window contractors who understand the intricacies of bay window architecture. These professionals ensure that your bay windows are installed correctly, providing long-lasting performance and durability. Bay window specialists in Mandeville are equipped with the knowledge and experience to handle any installation challenges, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. For those looking to update their existing windows, Bay Window Replacement in Mandeville offers a range of options to suit any budget and style preference. Whether you're looking for a simple upgrade or a complete transformation, Bay Window Solutions in Mandeville can provide the perfect enhancements to improve your home's appearance and functionality. Bay window upgrades in Mandeville can include new materials, innovative designs, and modern features that enhance both aesthetics and performance. Bay Window Replacement Mandeville is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Regular bay window maintenance in Mandeville can prevent common issues such as leaks, drafts, and structural damage, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Bay window repair specialists in Mandeville are skilled in identifying and addressing any problems, providing effective solutions to restore your windows to their original state. The cost of bay windows Mandeville can vary depending on the materials, design, and features you choose. Bay window cost in Mandeville is influenced by factors such as size, customization options, and installation complexity. Bay window contractors in Mandeville can provide detailed estimates and help you understand the potential costs involved, allowing you to make informed decisions about your investment. Bay window customization in Mandeville allows homeowners to create unique and personalized window designs that reflect their individual style and preferences. With a wide range of bay window options in Mandeville, you can select the perfect combination of materials, colors, and finishes to achieve the desired look and feel. Bay window customization in Mandeville ensures that your windows are not only functional but also a beautiful addition to your home. Bay Windows Mandeville trends are constantly evolving, with new innovations and design ideas emerging regularly. Staying informed about the latest bay window innovations in Mandeville can help you make the best choices for your home, ensuring your windows remain stylish, energy efficient, and well suited to your lifestyle for years to come.